For today's video, i-review natin ang Peso Loan Quick Cash Loan Application. So pagkatapos mong maibigay ang lahat ng impormasyon na kinakailangan ni Peso Loan, ay makikita mo ang iyong loan amount na 5,000 pesos. Matatanggap mo is 5,000 pesos and you are going to pay it in 4 installments. So if you click Get Cash Now, they will require your facial verification. And then they will ask you how satisfied you are. And then after a minute, you will receive your loan amount. So after receiving the money, you can see that your first repayment amount is 3,000 pesos. So your repayment plan is 14 days interval per installment. So for the first installment, you are going to pay 3,000 pesos. For second installment, 2,250. Third installment is 2,175 and fourth installment is 75 pesos. So the total amount na babayaran mo is 7,500 minus 5,000 pesos na natanggap mo, meaning the interest is 2,500 pesos, which is 50% of the money na natanggap mo. Napakalaki. Samantalang kung sa kaibigan or kakilala mo ka manghihiram ng pera, the interest is only 5% or 10% per month. So this is just a friendly reminder based on my experience. Kapag kailangan mo ng pera, never consider borrowing money online kasi napakalaki ng mga interest fee nila. Hindi siya nakakatulong, mas nakakapagdagdag siya sa iyong problema at bayarin. So if you find this video helpful to you, please leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for another loan application review. Thank you so much.